The legend of Mahakal. Beyond time and death, there is a force that exists beyond creation and destruction. A power that is neither bound by the ticking of a clock nor the cycle of life and death. It is Mahakal, the supreme destroyer of time itself. What is Mahakal? In Sanskrit, Maha means great, and Kal means time or death. Mahakal is the one who consumes time, the eternal guardian of Dharma, the force that annihilates everything when the moment comes. He does not fear time, time fears him. Mahakal is not just a name, it is an eternal truth. The embodiment of Lord Shiva's most terrifying yet protective form. He is the one before whom even Yam, the god of death, bows. But how did this name come into being? And what is the story behind it? The birth of Mahakal, a story from the ages centuries ago, in the holy city of Avantika, modern-day Ujjain, sages and devotees lived in peace, worshipping Lord Shiva with unwavering faith. But their devotion was soon tested. A powerful demon named Dushanan, blessed with immense strength, had begun terrorizing the land. Fueled by arrogance and dark magic, he declared himself invincible, vowing to end all worship of the gods. He burned temples, shattered Shiva lingas, and unleashed fear across Avantika. The sages, powerless against his wrath, turned to the only force beyond all power, Shiva. With folded hands, they prayed, chanting the Mahamrityunjaya mantra, calling upon the destroyer of evil. Their cries echoed through the cosmos, reaching Mount Kailash, where Shiva resided in deep meditation. And then, time stood still. The earth trembled. The skies roared. A deafening silence spread across Avantika, followed by a fierce gust of wind. The flames that once burned the temples vanished in an instant, as if swallowed by an unseen force. From the depths of existence itself, he emerged. His body was smeared with ash, eyes burning like 1,000 suns, and his presence, so powerful that even the gods trembled. Around his neck coiled the serpent Vasuki, and in his hands, he wielded the Trishul, pulsating with cosmic energy. Shiva had arrived, not as the merciful Bholenath, but as the terrifying Mahakal. Dushanan, the mighty demon who feared nothing, found himself frozen. His powers crumbled before this cosmic force. In that moment, he realized this was no ordinary deity. This was the very end of time itself. Mahakal lifted his trident and with a single strike, reduced Dushanan to nothingness. Not just his body, but his very existence was erased, gone from the past, present, and future. Such was the power of Mahakal, the force that guns even time itself. The gods rejoiced. The sages bowed. And in that very moment, Shiva established himself as Mahakal, the eternal lord of time and death. To this day, he resides in Ujjain's Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga, the only Jyotirlinga facing south, the direction of death. For he alone is beyond it. He alone decides when time must end. Jai Mahakal.